Greetings and welcome back to Pinball Help. Mike here. Work continues on this pinball coffee table project, and I wanted to show you the progress that's been made. This is a rough mock-up of the prototype, and we have the cabinet painted, we've got the Fleck webbing paint on it, and the top is not completely finished, but we put stain on it and am going to get ready to finish this off and make this a little bit nicer, and probably put some urethane or something around it, make it look nice. So what we've got is the main box there that the playfield will fit down inside of that. Put this over it, and then the pinball glass will fit. This is designed to hold a regular size sheet of pinball glass, so that'll fit right over the top of it. And then if you look around the side, you'll see there's shelving, little hidden shelving. I don't like to waste any space, so this one whole side is completely open underneath, so you can store magazines and whatnot. And then the other side is completely covered, and we're going to design some stencils and paint it. So take it like this, since it's on wheels, and wheel the whole thing around. Show you. So eventually there will be some nice artwork covering the whole, all around the machine. Right now it's just basically white. I think had I to do this over again, I might use drywall mud instead of Bondo, just because Bondo kind of tends to set up really fast. But this was a prototype using a little bit lower grade wood, definitely not furniture grade wood, although the top is really nice red oak, but the rest of it is just basically pine 3/8 inch plywood. So for future versions I'll use definitely a much nicer grade. I'm trying to estimate, all the costs involved in putting this together and the amount of time and the materials. And it's coming along nicely. And I'll also be adding some lighting to this. And I'll go over that in future videos, but my plan is to use surface mount LED RGB lighting in here. Similar to what you find in modern pinball machines, except that I'll be controlling it with an Arduino, maybe even hide some special controls here and there to give it a number of different functions. And there you have it. It's coming along. So far so good. I will be reporting more on the progress of this as we go along. You can see the webbing and the pattern that we've put on the side. Came out kind of nice. Didn't want to overdo it because we're going to put some artwork over the top of it, but you can see that it worked nice. That mitered corner is a little bit wonky. That's because of the biscuit, but again, we're just still messing around with this and playing with it. But for a first attempt, came out pretty good. For future versions, we'll make the cuts a little bit more precise. If you're off on any of these little mitered on the pieces in the length, it throws the square of the thing off. And we put wood filler in one of the things. Still toying around with it, still playing with it, but it's going to come out looking pretty darn good, I think, when we're done. And then future versions will be even more nicely polished. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.